Here is our problem. We have I on top and 1 plus I on the bottom. We need to write this as a simple complex number, so we can see the real part and the imaginary part. When we have a tricky bottom like 1 plus I, we use a special helper called the conjugate. The conjugate just means we flip the sign in the middle. So 1 plus I becomes 1 take away I. Now we times the top and the bottom both by 1 take away I. This is like timesing by 1, so it does not change the value. It just makes the bottom much nicer. Let's do the top first. We have I times 1, which gives us I. Then I times negative I, which gives us negative I squared. Here is the magic trick. Remember that I squared is always equal to negative 1. So we swap out I squared for negative 1. Taking away a negative 1 is the same as adding 1. So the top becomes 1 plus I. Now let's do the bottom. When we times 1 plus I by 1 take away I, we get 1 take away I squared. This is a nice pattern to remember. Again, I squared is negative 1. So we have 1 take away negative 1, which is 1 plus 1, which equals 2. The bottom is now just a simple number with no I at all. That is exactly what we wanted. Now we put our new top over our new bottom. We have 1 plus I, all over 2. We can split this into two parts, 1 over 2, plus I over 2. We did it. Our answer is 1/2 plus 1/2 I. So the real part is 1/2, and the imaginary part is also 1/2. Great job working through this.